In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the license plate light lens on the back of this Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. To pop this out, just take a trim tool or whatever you have that'll get in here towards the inner side where the lens is, and just pry it outward carefully, not to ruin the plastic on the bumper here. And then on the back side, you'll have your wiring, which you don't have to disconnect the wiring harness from the socket. You just have to twist the socket counterclockwise and pull that off. This is a great time to change out your light bulb. This one looks like it's in good shape, although I do want to thoroughly inspect this socket because it does look like it got a little bit hot here, but it does seem to still be okay. So at this point, it would be also a good time to replace your socket. These often melt. This bulb is a 194, if you're curious and you want to replace it. Take the new lens assembly, slide the bulb in, turn it clockwise until it clicks, and then simply put it back into position. It's got a hook on the back, so that needs to hook in first. Press it backwards, and then press the front of it in, and there you have it. That's replaced. Do the same to the other side if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.